Hi there, I am going to install Combowise widget in my theme. So I am assuming you have 0.0 theme. Step 1, I am going to open theme customizer. Now I am going to select default product template. Inside my product information section, going to add app blocks. Suppose I want to add box of n visit. I will click on it. Now I will drag and drop below to the buy button. If I want to change any configuration, I will click on it. I can change any text translation from here. Now I will save it. I will go to the combo product inside the Combowise app. I will click on combo products. I already have box of n bundle created. I will click on view in front. And now see here widgets is appearing. If you find any difficulties in installing the widget, please contact to the support. We are here to help you.